Hi everyone, it's Janine from 49 and Market. We're here at Creativation and we are excited to show you some new albums we came out with. The success of our white album was so big that we decided to come out with it in an all black version, so the pages are black as well. This is the one that flips that you guys seem to really have enjoyed. We also came out with a new size and structure. This is, the covers are 6 1/4 by 10 1/4 inch and 1 3/4 inch, so it's a little narrower on the spine. In addition to the fact the inner pages are really about a 6 by 10, so it's a great size for getting a lot of extra added stuff into your project, but it's also just a little more different than that. We have the elastic enclosure, but we came out with the pages being separated from the spine. So you actually get your own spine mechanism that you'll be able to do whatever you want to do with. So we're allowing you to have complete creative freedom, and we hope that you like that part of it. The papers actually come, there's 5 different inserts. This is a 6 by 10 that flip open. You can flip, flop, create whatever envelopes, pockets, or inserts you want. Once you're done designing it, you can then adhere it to the inside spine for your book pages. So here's an example of one that's finished, totally loaded to the gills on this. But as you can see here, the pages just keep flipping and flopping. So this is actually just one insert that is used to do all these flips. So it's a great project that we hope you guys enjoy.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.